Hello everyone, this is Anmol Tiwari, former student of Dr. Viren Swarup Institute of Computer Studies, and I have not been just a pass out but I also got the honor to receive University Gold and Bronze Medal during the batch 2014-17 for BBA. Being invited here to deliver a session and address to you all reminds me of how supportive and encouraging our teachers have been. My tenure of being not just a student but also working as assistant professor with Dr. Wessex has been an amazing one. Everyone has been so supportive and each one of them guided me with the right direction. At present, I am working professionally in the fields of digital art, sketch, paint, or what you can call as traditional arts. And the digital artwork that I create is one of a kind and has been loved by several people and also appreciated by celebrities nationally and internationally. I'm very excited to be addressing to you all in this session, which is basically about learning about the beauty and intricacies of mandala, a meditative art form. So meditative art can be understood as a process that helps you reach your own zone and connect with your inner self. Meditative art is proved to help in reducing stress levels. It helps our mind to allow ourselves to escape from all the distraction, and it also helps us in having a break from the daily thought process. The purpose of creating mandala is to cherish the present, the moments that we are living in, and to forget about all the things that are happening around. Just have a break from everything. So I have found my comfort in art. Art is rhythmic. It includes repetitive figures or maybe freehand drawings, and it takes me to a place that is so peaceful. So when all the digital artworks are finished, they just spread their wings, buzz off and earn. My relationship with art is one among the purest relationships that I have. Art is love, it is passion, it is peace, and it gives me so much calmness, so much satisfaction that no matter what I was doing earlier, no matter what the situation is, no matter where I am, no matter what the time is, if I can doodle, if I can scribble, if I can draw, there is some peace that I am about to gain. I believe that you must be as excited as I am to start the session, and let's delve into the world of mandala, an art form that will enthuse you and calm you at the same time. Okay, so to start with, first we require a blank paper, pen and a pencil. Okay, so we start by drawing a circle. Now what matters in drawing a circle is that it need not be round in shape, perfectly round, but the starting and the end point. You see this? This must be same. Okay? So wherever you start or wherever you end, it must be the same position. By doing so, we become more aware of ourselves and our focus is channelized in the right direction. First of all, we are going to draw the foundation of our mandala. Remember to keep it light. You may use compass or any other object to draw a circle. As I said earlier, the circle or the shape need not be perfect. So mandala is a centering space for the self and the soul, an art therapy tool for making order out of disorder. Mandala is a Sanskrit word for magic circle. Nearly every culture uses mandalas or circular image in their cultural or spiritual practices. A mandala represents wholeness, a cosmic diagram reminding us of our relation to infinity, extending beyond and within our bodies and minds. Mandalas are circular designs symbolizing the notion that life is never ending. Our earth is a mandala. There are mandalas in nature and man-made design everywhere we look. So once you start to notice them, you will see them everywhere. You know, these are an ancient art form more than 2000 years old. These are incredibly versatile and can personify any number of meanings for the viewer. Some words are not known to express what we know deep within our core being. Mandala art can give us the access and expand our self-awareness. Our emotions sometimes throw us into chaos and nothing makes sense. At these times, we often need to find a center amid the confusion, a way to pull together scattered parts of a life and find order. Anyone can make mandala. If you meditate or draw a mandala mindfully, you can experience a relaxed and connected sense of being and feel that everything in life is connected in some way. Using your choice of material, create an image within the circle in any way you choose. I like to fill it up. You can start in the middle, make a mark and see what happens. You may use a ruler. So today's session has been all about how to calm yourself with the beautiful art form of mandala. This is very much in sync with the pressing issue of the world today, our mental health. And every discussion about mental health should start with introspection, looking within yourself and soothing your own mind in order to compete with the complexities of the world. And this is what the art form of mandala and even my session today has been all about. Just learn how to calm your mental health, how to calm your mental state with any of the art forms that you may like. Art has the capacity to stir deep emotion, but these emotions don't arise unless effort is put forth. And there is no reason that you must not draw. In fact, just talk about mandala. This is not an art form that requires any specific skills. Just doodle, scribble, do whatever you want to do because there is nothing right and nothing wrong in mandala, right? You need not be an artist to create mandala. It's been a great pleasure connecting with you all. Before concluding, I would like to request each one of you to feel free to connect with me through my Instagram handle, that is Anmol Artworks, and also share what you will be drawing after everything that you have learned in today's session. Thank you so much for being a part of series of art sessions organized by Dr. Viren Swarup Institute of Computer Studies. Keep rising and shining. Signing off this side, Anmol Tiwari. Goodbye.